Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to the English Academy. Today we will learn synonyms of happy. Other ways to say happy. Let's start. Listen and repeat after me. Amused, amused. Cheerful, cheerful. Delighted, delighted. Satisfied, satisfied. Charmed, charmed. Lively, lively. Loving, loving. Joyful, joyful. Eager, eager. Merry, merry. Thrilled, thrilled. Better, better. Beaming, beaming. Blissful, blissful. Glad, glad. Jolly, jolly. Content, content. Smiling, smiling. Joyous, joyous. Overjoyed, overjoyed. Over the moon, over the moon. On cloud nine, on cloud nine. On top of the world, on top of the world. Walking on the air, walking on the air. In seventh heaven, in seventh heaven. In the good mood, in the good mood. Floating on air, floating on air. Let's repeat synonyms of happy. Amused, cheerful, delighted, satisfied, charmed, lively, loving, joyful, eager, merry, thrilled, better, beaming, blissful, glad, jolly, content, smiling, joyous, overjoyed, over the moon, on cloud nine, on top of the world, walking on the air, in seventh heaven, in the good mood, floating on air. Have a nice day. Ma'assalama, the English Academy.